सत श्री अकाल फ्रेंड्स, आज ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ मैं एप्पल mint दी salad बनाना सिखा रही हूँ. For this we need chopped apples. If you use the golden apples, they are better because they don't become black too soon. Or the Granny Smith apples, the green ones are the best for salads. So we have about 3 apples chopped into dices, and then I have some iceberg lettuce leaves. I have cream here, whipped cream, which I'm going to add to the bowl. Then I'm going to add some mayo. Then I'll add the mint. Some salt. Whipped cream doesn't need sugar because it already has. And then we can add some white pepper. And some mustard powder. Winters are apple season, so there are a lot of things you can do with apples. They taste lovely in salads. So we mix these ingredients together. Then add the apples to it. Mix it well. So the apples are well coated with the mayonnaise and the cream. So now we need a dish, and in this we are going to put some iceberg lettuce cups, and we are going to fill these cups with the salad. So this is done, and now you can just put a bunch of basil in the center, or if you have mint, you can put that just for decoration. So our salad is ready. You can chill it in the fridge and serve it cold.